Hi, I'm Andy, owner of Sonic Solutions. Sintered filters like this are vital in purifying the gases and vapours needed in plastics manufacturing. But over time, they become clogged with contaminations. The choice is either replacing or cleaning. But replacement, they're costly and supply can be an issue. And the cleaning, because of their very nature, is not so easy. Plus, using your own staff to clean takes them off the main job. The solution? We clean them for you using a combination of cleaning methodologies. We remove virtually all contaminants from your filters, restoring them to nearly new capacity at a fraction of the nearly new cost. We extend their life and improve the quality of their output. We take your dirty filter and return a filter that can go straight back into service, saving you time, money and hassle. We've saved companies like Quorn, Ultrafilter and Procter & Gamble thousands of pounds and lots of man hours doing it in-house, plus the need to have their own equipment, hazardous chemicals and use their own staff. Reliable, consistent and hassle-free. It's what you ask for, it's what you get.